let's move on to the next question. I see. So given the n is always gonna be the length of nums divided by 2, and I want n groupings such that the min of the sum of all the mins are maximized. So what I want to do here it's like a min-max problem. Is it always sorted? You know, like if I sort it 1, 2, 3, 4, then I would have like 3 plus 1. I'm just thinking of like sorting it and then returning every pairwise, and this seems to be the case for these two, and that's kind of like the pattern, but why is that true if it's true at all? Can you not do better than that? Suppose 1, 4, 3, 2, then you get 1 and 2, and then you kind of miss out on the top half of this array. So you like, basically you definitely want to capture like the second most. So I guess if you sort it, then you're doing like the second biggest, fourth biggest, sixth biggest, eighth biggest. And I guess you can't really do better than that, right? Because by definition, the first biggest, like your largest number, has to be dropped out, and then therefore the best you can do is the second biggest number for that pair. And then, you know, you can maybe like proof by induction. So if you remove the first biggest and second biggest number, and you pretend you remove that, now your third biggest number is your maximum number for the rest of the array. And then if that's the case, then that necessarily can't be, because if you do a pairwise min, then the maximum number is going to be dropped. You know, except if you have a tie break, right? Like the 6, 6 here, but one of these 6s have to be dropped, and it has to be the second biggest one. So I guess by proof by induction, like you kind of want to grab all the biggest mins, and all the biggest mins have, you know, for each sub array is just going to be the second to last index, given that it's the it's a sorted array. So actually this n may be unnecessary here. So L equals nums L dot sorted, or L dot sort, or sorted. Print L. Let's just see. Is it sorted or sort? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I say, well, sum of L of 0 to I forget which one's the step. Oops, this is actually So is it 4-9? Okay, I guess I finished 2 problems within 20 minutes. I think that's pretty good. My goal is to do it within 10 minutes. A lot of the competitive programmers can finish these sort of algorithmic problems within a minute or 5. So I don't think I need to get to that level because obviously those are for a very different purpose. But I feel like if I can do like on average 10 minutes each problem, that'd be pretty good. I'm curious what score I got. Probably still like the bottom, whatever percentile. But I would say this is probably my fastest assessment to date. This typically takes less than a minute. Okay. We'll wait here then. All right, I'm not the bottom 30% anymore, but I guess if I want to be closer to the top tier, I'm probably talking about sub 10 minutes. Oh, this is already sub 10 minutes, probably sub 5 minutes per problem, which would be great. But there's certainly a lot of other aspects of algorithms and data structures I'd like to review, and I don't think these ones are as in depth in those just because you don't have that much time. I'll probably go ahead and in the future do more assessments that are of this on-site one because my next interview is going to be 2.5 hours long, and this is 2 hours, so I feel like this would actually build up my stamina a little bit unless of course I answer all 4 questions in 30 minutes, which I doubt. So yeah, be on the lookout on these kind of marathon questions, but to make it consumable, even though I might do it on one go, I might just upload 1 video per question, so then you don't have to sit through all 2 hours. Anyway, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.